It's 5 in the morning. What's up, everybody? It is 5:10 in the AM, and we are up early because we are going fishing. Now, I'm real excited about this because we're not just going regular fishing. We are going trout fishing here in Alabama. There's not a ton of places, but there is a good spot over by Smith Lake, by the dam. So we are going to go trout fishing this morning, and we're hoping to tear it up today. So, what do you think?
We're gonna have a lot of fun.
A lot of fun. So we just got here, and we're fixing to walk down to the river and see what's going on. It was a pretty long trip. We were hoping to get here a little bit earlier, but someone needed Pop-Tarts. That's someone right there. So we're pretty excited. It's really pretty here. Let me see if I can turn around and give you guys a shot. I mean, this is the kind of stuff you hope for. This is gonna be awesome. So we finally found a place, and we're at it now. Carter is a little impatient sometimes, but he's doing good. What are you gonna do if a fish gets it? Okay. He's got it figured out. Well, we're not having any luck. Fish are jumping all over the place, but they're not biting. So we're gonna try another spot and then see what we get there. Well, we didn't catch anything. We gave it a good effort. Had a lot of fun. Walked a ton. Got to see the dam. It's really pretty there. But we rocked so hard, walked so far. Carter was excited. He didn't sleep at all last night. So I guess he's making up for it now. So anyway, always a good time fishing though. So after an unsuccessful day of fishing, we're now going to the park. What the flag? She doesn't like the camera. Hey guys, where are we going?
To the park. Yeah, big park.
What you doing, baby girl?
Yeah, trying to get this thing. This is for handicapped people. What does handicapped even mean? Down or up?
It's been way too long since I've been on a swing. You having fun, Catelyn?
You having fun?
Oh no! Are you okay?
A park. It's highly unstable.
There you go. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, bonk. Okay, now you. Careful.
Super one.
Camden, you gotta do it on your... Now, before I show you what's happening, I would like the record to show that last time Deanna tried to do something like this with one of our children, I believe we have a scar to show.
It was a slide, not a swing.
Now, Carter.
What? I'm hanging on. Oh! The world! Stop! I'm done.
I was just swinging.
There we go, one-handed. That's as far as it goes. So nothing completes a fun family day without a trip to Walmart. Who wants to go to Walmart?
No, Mom, Mark.
That's not dangerous at all.